Mas palaban sa kantahan ng mga singers dito sa qualifying round on the Clones, Ka-Voice of the Stars.
Kaya tutok na sa kanilang performance. Open na ang...
Kiss your face until you're forward. I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on. Yeah, come give me something I can feel. Oh, oh, don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Spring tomorrow, but I might go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Come on, mga Labercat!
Wala na kami sa APT.
Andito na tayo sa TV Tide.
Thank you, Electro Groovers.
Yes, welcome natin yung mga Dowercats natin dito sa The Clones. Pasok na sa Grand Final sa Sabado ang ka-voice ni Rex Smith at Michael Bolton. Madadagdagan pa sila.
Yes, Mama Alan. Ito na iyan ang ating unang clone.
Ito na siya. I'm broke, but I'm happy. I'm poor, but I'm fine. I'm short, but I'm healthy. Yeah. I'm high, but I'm grounded. I'm sane, but I'm overwhelmed. I'm lost, but I'm helpful. Baby, and what it all goes down to, you said everything's gonna be fine, fine, fine. 'Cause I got one hand in my pocket and the other one is giving a high five. I feel drunk, but I'm sober. I'm young and I'm underpaid. I'm tired, but I'm working, yeah. I care, but I'm restless. I'm here, but I'm really gone. I'm wrong and I'm sorry, baby. And what it all comes down to, you said everything's gonna be quite alright. 'Cause I've got one hand in my pocket and the other one is flicking a cigarette. And what it all boils down to is that I haven't got it all figured out just yet. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause I've got one hand in my pocket and the other one is singing a B-side. I'm free, but I'm focused. I'm green, but I'm nice. I'm hard, but I'm friendly, baby. I'm sad, but I'm laughing. I'm brave, but I'm checking. I'm sick, but I'm pretty, baby. And what it all boils down to is that no one's really gonna figure out stranger.
Tagay pa, tagay pa,
Yeah,
tagay, tagay.
'Cause I've got one hand in my pocket and the other one is spinning a piano. And what it all comes down to, my dear friends, yeah, yeah, is that everything
Grabe naman si Alanis.
Edelisa Auraning ng Basilan.
Julanis.
Julanis!
Grabe. O, tagay na, tagay.
Hoy, mamalan.
Ganda ng ano, no? Ganda ng tawag dito ng showmanship.
Yes.
Totoo ba yun, yung harmonica mo?
Sige nga.
Sige nga.
Gawin mo nga.
Sige nga.
Totoo nga. Mama, nayabang mo naman.
Kaya mo ba yung tono ng ano, Joy to the World? Ay, Jingle Bells pala.
Joy to
Jingle
the-
Bells pala.
Ha?
Jingle Bells.
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Jingle bells.
Depende kasi sa key eh. Hindi ko alam
Ah,
kung...
Key, ano
Ay,
yun?
key. Jingle
G.
bells. Ayun.
yun ba yung kinong ano?
Maigsi lang kasi
Eh,
yung
ano na,
harmonica
Itbulaga
niya.
na,
Limitado
Itbulaga.
yung key. O kahit anong... Oh,
Itbulaga.
Itbulaga.
Mula ba ito?
Kaya na ni Ian yan.
Ha?
Talaga!
Kaya ni Ian yan.
Eto talaga, boxing. Suko na hanggang langit ang paghanga ko kay Ian pag kinaya pa niya.
Oo naman. Basta si Bossing nag-request, hindi pa yung akin na ate.
Okay lang sa'yo.
Oo naman.
Iyan!
Play.
Iyan!
Hindi yan yung silid.
Opo. I'm broke but I'm happy. I'm poor but I'm... Nasaan ba to ate? I'm home. Nasaan ba yung nilipan? Yeah.
Yan na.
Ayun na.
Wala. Bakit walang bala?
Wala. Todo?
Ah,
Parang huminga. So,
Pahigop.
Pasip-sip, pasip-sip.
wala naman ate.
Paano ba yun?
Pahigop yata.
Hindi pa buga.
Abuga.
Mamalan, ikaw nga.
Hindi ko alam yan.
Wala ka.
Si Paulo yata. Pabuga.
Wala.
Sip-sip. Ano, inhale.
Wala eh.
Ganun.
Siya lang yata talaga marunong.
Yan.
Nahilo.
Tama agad eh. May tama agad eh.
Pag-aralan mo kasi
O
Ian.
sige, pag-aaralan ko. Wait lang, Bossing, wala ako sa likod.
Sandali! Uy!
Bumili ka niya.
Pahigop. Higop yan.
Maganda yan. Oo.
Ayun ah. Yabang mo naman.
Ganun pala yun. Para ako nasa UK.
Ang ganda
Ayos,
kaya
para-
natulog din.
Alan ikaw.
Hindi ako marunong yan eh.
Kaya niya po yan.
Kaya mamalan sa ilong.
Sige naman.
Tigilan niyo ako, okay na ako. baka masinghot ko pa yun, mawala pa yung, yung instrumento niya. May request na lang!
Hindi, magpito lang tayo, mama.
May request na lang.
Bye,
Hoy, shout out muna kay Marlene de la Peña ng Japan. Kaibigan natin yun.
Shout out.
Say
Hi,
ho!
Marlene.
Ay, may phone in her. Hi, sir. Can you stand up?
Kaya niya rin magsilindro.
Kailan? Good afternoon. What's your name, sir?
Tino,
You know from?
Italy.
Italy. You must be Italian.
Yeah, my wife is Filipina.
Your wife is Filipino. Oh, she's so
There.
beautiful. How...
The parents are here.
Minsan siguro. Ano daw?
Ano ba?
Ano daw?
Do you know how to sing, sir?
No, my wife.
Oh, you're
Oh, the wife is a singer.
She's an artist, but I do different things.
What kind of... What do you do? I mean...
I carver, a sculpture.
Carver.
Sculpture. Can you do that to me now?
What?
Sculpture.
I did a long time ago in Italy. I did that big Jesus Christ
Sorry. Thank you.
from olive tree.
Oh, wala namang problema doon. Thank you po. Congratulations.
Si wife daw singer.
Ay, yung maano.
The
Yung
wife can sing, he said.
Ma'am, you can sing daw po. Ang layo nyo naman. Magkagalit ba kayo? Do you sing, ma'am?
They need
Ay, hindi
space.
daw. Ito, may kakanta talaga, Ma'am Alan.
Alin?
Kanina pa itong nakausap ko
From
kanina.
Japan?
Ay,
What's your
hindi naman
name?
magpupula ang buhok niyan kung...
Mika, o kakanta ka daw. Galingan mo, mali mo, ma-discover ka dito, ha? O sige, kahit ano, susundan ka ni Pedro, okay? O, go.
Hanggang sa bahay nyo, okay?
Stalker. Oh, kanta.
Some people want it all, but I want nothing at all. Fit in you, baby. If I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings.
good, ha? Gusto mo maging singer pagdating ng araw?
Yes.
Ano?
Eh, gabi na.
Gusto mo maging kilalang singer? Gusto mo ba Hollywood, ganon?
Hindi na.
Ay.
Di wag simula ka muna dito, ha? Huwag mo na. Dito muna. Eto, kakanta ka din, mananakot. Ano magagawin mo? Ano, pag-request ka, ate, ano pangalan mo?
Brian po.
Taga saan?
Taga saan ka, Bri?
Kainta Rizal po.
Kainta na tira ako dati dyan. Wala ka na dun, basta tira ako dyan. Hindi, sa Green Park na tira ako dati dyan. O sige, anong song ni Alanis Morissette ang gusto mong i-request?
Ironic po.
Ay, yun talaga.
Isn't it ironic? Kaya natin yun, no? May silindro uli. Wala yun. Kita yun, wala. Akala ko pa naman. Pero kaya.
Kaya, Mama Alan.
Ironic! Edelisa Uraning ng Basilan.
He won the lottery and died the next day. It's a black flame in your Chardonnay. Said every pardon, 10 minutes too late. And isn't it ironic? Don't you think? It's like rain on your wedding day. It's a free ride when you've already paid. It's a good advice. That's a just a day. And who would have thought it'd be yours? And yeah, well, life's a funny way. Now sneaking up in you. Life is a funny, funny way of helping you out. Helping you out.
Yeah! Nagustuhan ba ng taga-Kainta?
Michael, tama? Brian, sorry. Si
Michael.
Ewan ko ba? Ano masasabi mo?
Yung pagkanta niya po is ironic.
Ay.
Kaya mo ba yun? Try mo nga yung, I'm broke but I'm happy, ah.
I'm broke but I'm happy. Yun lang.
Kada may asa dulo. I'm broke but I'm happy, ah.
I'm broke but I'm happy.
Wala ka. Thank you, Brian.
Thank you, Brian.
Salamat,
Okay na.
Bri.
Uy, nakalimutan kitang pag-shout-outin kanina sa mga dabarkas natin sa Basilan. Shout-out, Day. Katong inyong sinultian. Bisaya ba?
Bisaya, Muslim, Tausug,
Tausug.
Chabacano.
Go ahead.
Maayong hapon sa mga taga-Basilan. Buenos dias con todos de mga Basileños. Assalamualaikum. Kanyukatan mga taymanghud ko Muslim.
Okay.
Shout out,
Ayun.
shout out.
Nakalimutan ko kanina sabihin sa iyo eh. Eto na, may challenge kami sa iyo. Sa Alanis Morissette, kakantahin mo ang Don't Speak.
Paano niya yung kakanta?
Don't Speak. Ganun. By No Doubt.
Ayan.
Okay, don't speak but sing. Kaya,
Alright.
let's go. Edelisa Uraning.
You and me, we used to be together, every day together, always. I really feel that I'm losing my best friend. I can't believe this can be the end. He lets us down. Yeah, letting go. Well, let us real, we'll let down one day now. Don't speak, I know just what you're saying. So please stop explaining. Don't tell me kids it hurts. Don't speak, I know what you're saying.
Basilan.
Bilib ako sa'yo, ha?
Muchas gracias, Day.
Muchas
Muchas
gracias.
gracias.
May advice na ako kay Edelisa.
Ano?
Advice
Ah,
na daw.
sa dali may advice.
Don't drive, ah.
Don't speak yun.
Don't drive din, mamalang kasi ganun rin.
Thank you. Dagang
Thank you.
salamat.
At eto, hindi naman magpapatalo ang susunod nating clone.
Eto
Number
na
2.
siya.
Mga kumakapak na yan, ha?
I called you when I need you, and my heart's on fire. You come to me, wildfire. Ooh, you come to me, give me everything I need. Give me lots of promises and a world of dreams. Speak the language of love like you know what it means. No, you can't be wrong. Take my heart and make it stronger. You send me the best. You better than all the rest. You better not anyone. Anyone I've ever been. Let's stuck on your heart. I have every word to say. I wanna tear us apart. No, 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 no. And baby, I would rather be there. It's how you leave me as I'm losing control. You're walking away with my heart and my soul. I can feel you whenever you know. Oh, baby, don't let go. Woo! Better than all the rest. You better don't anymore. Anyone I've ever been. Ooh, it's stuck on your heart. I had every word to say. I wanted to us apart. No, 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 no. And baby, I would rather be there. Ooh, you're the best.
Rosalie Bausin, ang green belter ng Taekwondo. Grabe kasi may ipaday, no?
Taas.
Mamalang ganun siya magpatay ng ilaw.
Ang taas pa naman ang heels niya. Oo nga, pakita mo nga yung heels mo, gano'ng kataas. Ayan, no? Ayan, no? Oh.
Yun ba talaga style ni Tina? Nagsisipa? Kasi
Style
yung
ko-
kanina parang
Style niya yun.
naglilinis ng bahay. Ito nagagano'n.
Oo. Ang galing. At ang sipa niya, parang pag isang diretso talaga gano'n. Ibig sabihin, kaya niya mag-split.
Ay,
Tama
kaya
ba?
mo? Ay, oo.
Hindi kami naniniwala.
Kasi
nga.
gano'n yung sipa niya, diretso eh.
Sige nga.
Baka dito sa request,
Mag-split?
malalaman natin.
Sige, Mama Alan.
sige.
Wait lang.
By request.
May request, say ho! Sino pong pwedeng umawit sa inyo? Ay, siya? Hello po, kayo po? Ano pong pangalan?
Apple Aguilar.
Apple Aguilar. Taga saan ka? Apple.
From Dasmariñas, Cavite.
Dasmariñas,
Tama,
Cavite.
taga Bacoor to si Rosalie.
Tama, maganda dyan sa Dasmariñas. Ano po, umaawi talaga kayo professionally?
Sumisipa.
Hindi naman po pero
Hindi naman pala, upo na kayo. Ano ba? Tatry lang naman. Sige, simulan niyo po, tapos susundan ni Pedro. Okay.
Before the day I met you, life was so unkind, but you're the key to my peace of mind. 'Cause you made me feel, you made me feel, you made me feel like a natural.
Cavite naman yung Aretha Franklin.
Oo, ganda-ganda ng buki. Nakausap.
Simulan mo.
Ay.
Okay.
Alright.
Looking out on a morning rain.
Someone inspired.
So inspired. Let him know I had to face another day. Though it make me feel so tired. I met you, I was so unkind, but you're the key to my peace of mind. You make me feel, you make me feel,
Kulang-kulang sipa.
you make me feel like a woman.
Yeah! Ang galing mo din.
Sumali ka, ha?
Sumali ka sa ano?
Paluwagan. Para makaipon ka.
Para makapag-ipon. Hindi, baka may season 2 tayo.
Oo, mahusay ka.
Thank you.
Ikaw na naman. Ang ganda naman ito ni ate.
Singer din siguro yon.
Kumakanta din ba kayo?
No.
May talent po ba kayo?
Dance?
Ay, balikbayan din. Are you balikbayan?
Opo.
Where are you from?
Texas.
You have any talent? No, you don't have. Why are you laughing? Okay, would you like to request a song?
Proud Mary.
Proud
Oh,
Mary,
syempre,
Ma'am Alas
Tina
pa.
Turner. Proud Mary, kayang-kaya yan. Ni Rosalie Bausin ng Bacoor, Cavite.
Ayan na.
Look at jobs in the city, working for a man every night and day. But I never lost one beat and I'm sleeping. Worry about the way the things might have been. Big bucks in my money, brown American money, and we rolling, 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 rolling on a river. And we rolling, 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 rolling on a river. If you come down to the river, bet you're gonna find some people there. You don't have to worry, every gonna money. People in the river are happy to get big bucks in my money, a brown American money, and we rolling, 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 rolling on a river, and we rolling, 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 rolling on a river. All right, come on.
Inaano ka ba?
Galing dito.
Grabe siya. Eto na ang challenge mo, Rosalie. Ay, Ian, kadali lang. Nagustuhan ba ng balikbayan friend natin from Texas?
Did you like it?
Oh, I loved it.
What can you say about her?
You did amazing. And I wish I can do that.
Oh, you can.
You can.
You can
that
try.
Try.
The Filipino can.
Rolling on the river, rolling. You do the rolling, okay? Then I do the
Back up.
rest. Okay. Rolling on the river,
rolling,
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 rolling on the river.
rolling.
You see? You can do it. You just need to believe yourself. I always, man. Kaya naman pala.
Thank you. Shout out, mga Dabarkad sa Texas.
At para naman sa iyo, Rosalie, meron kaming challenge.
Ayan na, challenge.
Challenge natin sa kanya. As Tina Turner, kakantahin mo ang kanta ng The Beatles na Oh, Darling. Kaya.
Kaya yan.
Let's go.
Rosalie Bausin.
Oh, darling, if you leave me, I'll never make it alone. Believe me,
masyadong nagmamayabang.
Yabang mo
Dahil
naman.
yung ginawa mo, wala yun. Kayang-kaya ni Ian.
What?
Oh, paano ginawa mo yung
Ulitin
parang...
ko kayo.
Bago yun, Nats, bago ka magpito. Ayun, yung bago ka magpito, ano yung ginawa mo?
Ayun, yan. Oh, yung marami.
Yung marami. O sige, gawin mo.
When you told me you never need me anymore, well, you know, I nearly broke down inside. When you told me you
yan,
didn't
yan.
need me anymore, well, you know, I nearly broke down and died. Oh, darling.
Lima. Okay.
Di ko pala kaya yun. Pinaulit ko lang mamaya. Para hindi ko pala
Kinonfirm niya lang.
For the first time, umamin si Ian. Hindi niya-
Ganun lang alam
Grabe,
ko eh.
no?
Pero ito na. Thank you. Thank you sa'yo.
Diyos ko, ang sakit sa ulo nitong dalawang clones natin today. Ang galing kumanta, ang ganda ng showmanship. Ay, bahala kayo. Ryan!
Yes, mamalan. Ang mananalong clone ay tatanggap ng 20,000 pesos at babalik po sa Sabado para sa Foreign Rap and Rock Clones Grand Finals.
At may 10,000 naman po ang non-winner.
Sa Grand Concert naman kung saan maghaharap-harap ang lahat ng clones, Grand Winners, naghihintay ang 300,000 pesos. Bago natin announce sino winner, batiin muna natin ang happy birthday. Si Mr. Benjamin Batak, ang ating CEO ng Great Smart. Happy birthday! So, ang clones ka-voice of the Stars qualifying round winner for today is contestant number 2, Rosalie Pausin.
Sa ngalan ng clone, salamat sa mga nakasama nating singers. Thank you.
Ito na, pasok na sa Grand Final sila Alan Orbistundo, ang Rex Smith. Sing-alike. Dominador Alviola Jr. ang ka-voice ni Michael Bolton at si Rosalie Bausin ang clone naman ni Tina Turner.
Dalawa pa.
Yeah, may dalawa pa.